Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've never replaced my cabin air filter in my truck, and we're just a couple thousand miles away from hitting 250,000. Just never really crossed my mind, which maybe it's a common thing for most of you, but I figured I'd just go ahead and change it. It's obviously overdue. Part of me is curious to see if it's even that dirty. But I'm sure we'll find some debris in there or whatever. But let's go ahead and get this changed out. It should be fairly easy. It's behind the glove compartment cover, so let's go take a look at that. Obviously on the passenger side. The first thing we're gonna have to do is open it up. So once the cover is opened up, we have a dampening cord here. And what you'll have to do is pull that downwards and out. So put your thumb on the little ledge here, put your finger around the rope, pull down with your thumb pulling outwards, and you'll see here that there's like a little nub on it that catches the inside. All right, and then once you have it out, you just let go and it'll go up, but we'll get it later. Okay, so now that we have our dampening cord removed, go ahead and shut the door, and we are going to come underneath. You see where my light is. There's some pins on the bottom side of the cover here. Get yourself a flat blade to help start the pin out, and then we'll pull it the rest of the way with a needle nose pliers. Okay, so we're underneath now, and you'll see that there's a pin, and find the head of it so we could take the flat blade screwdriver and just get it started. And you might be able to pull it out with your fingers. Yep. So there's one of the pins here, and we'll do the same with the other side. Okay, this side is identical to the other side, so we'll just get it started. And we pulled that one right out as well. Okay, and we're going to reuse those so don't lose them. Okay, so now the cover should come right out. It's just being held up with the latch up top. Okay, so just put that to the side for now. Okay, so this gives us access to the cover, which is right here, and there's two clips on the side. You're going to push inwards and out to get it out. All right, so this exposes our filter, and we just got to get that out. Just kind of wedge your finger in there. And there she is. So we got the filter out, and I will say it is properly dirty. Yeah, so waiting 250,000 miles is probably not ideal. I bet you could change these though every 50 to 100,000 miles if you're in an area that is just not very dirty. But yeah, so we'll get another filter here and go and replace it. This is I'll read off the GM part number 2313561. If you want to get an OEM version. I just went to my local parts store and got a micro guard, part number 4062. We will confirm that these are the same. Okay, yeah, and everything seems to match. So let's go ahead and put that back in. Okay, so when you're looking at this, the filters do come with arrow flow direction, and basically you want to install it in a way that you could read it. So if the arrows are pointing down, that's correct. If the arrows were pointing up, the wording would be upside down. So that's two ways to confirm that you got it the right way. Okay, nothing special about putting it in, just slide it in with the arrows pointing down. And the cover goes right back how it came out. So now we have our cover that we need to reinstall. Go ahead and grab your dampening cord here. We want to get that installed before we put the cover on because we won't have access to it. Okay, I'll go ahead and shut it. Then we have our pins that we took out, and go ahead and slide those in. And we got the other one. Fairly easy job. I wasn't expecting the filter to be that dirty, to be honest with you, even though it's been that kind of crazy miles. I don't really drive off-road. This is primarily a on-the-road type vehicle. But yeah, happy I changed it. You know, the filter was like 20 bucks, but I'll probably change it a little bit more frequently. And yeah, so fairly simple. I'll put everything I can as far as information in the description if you guys would like to order the same filter. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will do my best to respond. All right, thanks guys.